Chicken soups are enjoyed throughout the year, and we make chicken recipes from soups, to all kinds of sauces anytime. In December, chicken tastes different, especially in a typical Ghanaian home where families come together to eat and drink, thanking God for a successful year. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, we are going to make chicken light soup, okay? And you can pair this with anything that you decide. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers at this point. I really appreciate you guys so much. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, kindly don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. All right, let's get straight into the video. Guys, I'm going to leave every ingredient in the description box for easy access. And let's begin. So from here, I've already cleansed and washed my chicken. I'm using a hard chicken or a soup chicken, of course. And so sometimes it need a little time to cook, and that's just fine. So I'm going to add some sea salt, some garlic, and also some onions. After which I'm going to add my spices, which you can use any spice of choice. I am using my homemade spices here. I've added all pepper spice, some chicken seasoning, and all that. Okay, so you are free to choose any any spices of choice or seasonings of choice, all right? But then I'm going to leave everything in the description box so that you know what I added. Thank you very much. So I have here my blended ingredients, which consist of my onions and fresh ginger. I also added some rosemary and some anise. I'm going to make sure that my chicken and my blended ingredients with my seasonings get to know each other very well in this pot. Okay. After which, I'm going to cover this and leave it for about 4 minutes to simmer. After, I'm going to add my blended ingredients, which comprises of my boiled tomatoes, habanero pepper, and some onions. I also added garden eggs. Okay, so since my blender is okay and good to go, I need not to sift this in any way. So if your blender is not that strong, you can sift this to bring out any pulp that may come out from your tomatoes and all that. Okay, so I'm going to leave this to boil for some time. And you want to note I'm cooking with a medium heat, and that's just okay. So at this point, I'm going to add some tomato paste, which makes the soup colorful and also gives it a great taste. Okay, but you can decide to omit the tomato paste if you don't like that. You can omit that, and your soup is also going to come out perfect. So at this point, I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Once again, thank you for your support. Thank you for always being here. I really appreciate anyone who has been sharing, commenting, liking my videos. And guys, don't forget that when you like this video or when you like my videos, it helps YouTube to suggest this video the more. So I would really appreciate if you can do this for me. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to leave the soup to simmer. And while it simmer, I want to take the opportunity to say a very big welcome to anybody who is watching me for the first time. You are warmly welcome, and kindly don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on bell notification. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't hesitate to be part of this family. And I'll be glad to have you here as part of this Rayma family. You are free to watch any other video as well on this channel. And remember, subscription is also free. Okay, guys, so thank you very much. At this point, our soup is just okay. It's almost done. And I'm going to pair this with fufu, okay? I'm going to pair this with fufu, and you can pair this with anything, rice, bangkung, whatever you want to pair this with. It's just so yummy, and the soup came out so perfect and so delicious. You want to ask for more if you taste this. So thank you for being here today. Thank you for your support and love. I love you, babe. And stay safe, be cool, be healthy till I come your way again next time. It's bye.